If you're creating YouTube videos but struggling with scripts, story ideas, or voiceovers, AI Storyteller tools in 2025 are your secret weapon. These tools combine AI writing, voice generation, and visual planning to help you create cinematic storytelling videos, even without expensive equipment or big teams. Here's how you can use them step by step. Choose your AI Storyteller platform. Popular 2025 options include Story Nest, Deep Story, and Naruto AI. Type in your video concept, e.g., a time traveler trying to save his younger self, and the AI will instantly generate a full script outline, dialogue, and pacing suggestions. Once you have the story, use a voice AI like 11 Labs or Lovo AI to create professional narration. Right? Import that into CapCut, Runway, or Pika Labs for visuals and scene generation. Combine them, add background music, and upload. Your AI-driven story video is done. AI Storytellers now integrate with YouTube Studio, letting you auto-generate story scripts optimized for watch time and audience retention. They can even recommend emotional beats to maximize engagement. If you're building a faceless YouTube channel, these tools can handle everything: storytelling, narration, editing, and thumbnail ideas. You just need to tweak the tone and upload. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.